The type of comments, so these are the multi-line comments. I will just remove them. Then we have seen the explanation regarding these. That is public class, and as you know that inside in Java everything is inside the class only. ठीक है, सब कुछ क्लास के अंदर ही लिखना है. तो एज यू कैन सी it starts with this opening brace and it ends with the closing brace. After this, if you write anything, okay, anything, this will not be part of main, and that is why this will not be part of your execution story. So यहाँ पे start हुआ, as you can see everything is inside the class. If I close it, everything gets closed. Okay, then you have this main method, then you can close the main method also. Okay, a single class is there. Now if I want to do very simple things, for example, if I want to see the concept of object, okay, there are a certain number of concepts that we are going to see now. Okay, and these are very basic things, like what is the meaning of object, what is the class, then what are the methods, and what are the instance variable. ठीक है, ये चार कंसेप्ट आज हम पढ़ने वाले. ओके, सो व्हाट आर दे? ऑब्जेक्ट क्लास, देन मेथड्स एंड द इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल. ठीक है, इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल. So let's see one by one what are these concepts and how these concepts are useful. Okay, now जैसे हमें पता है कि C++ लैंग्वेज में देर इज ऑलवेज अ क्लास एंड देर इज ऑलवेज द कंसेप्ट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट. तो सबसे पहले बिफोर गोइंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट वी विल सी व्हाट इज द क्लास एंड व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट to define this class. Okay, so what do you mean by class? Class is nothing but it is a kind of mold. Okay, mold मतलब क्या है? तो mold का मतलब जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल if you have seen the Ganesh ji's मूर्ति. Okay, so that idol or that Ganesh ji is not created with the hand, but it is done with the help of a mold. मोल्ड मतलब एक ढांचा है. ठीक है, और वो ढांचे में अगर प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस या कोई भी मटेरियल हम डालते हैं तो उससे हमको एक गणेश जी की मूर्ति तैयार होके मिलती है. In the same way, in the same manner, this glass is a kind of mold with which we can create the particular type of object. Okay, so class is nothing but it is a mold, and with the help of this type of mold you can create a particular type of object. ठीक है, तो कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट अगर कोई भी क्लास से क्रिएट हो रहा तो उसका टाइप कैसा रहेगा? सेम रहेगा. मतलब गणेश जी की मूर्ति, हर कोई मूर्ति उस ढांचे से अगर निकलती है तो एक समान रहेगी. ये बात अलग है कि उसके ऊपर फिर अगर डेकोरेशन किया जाता है तो बोथ द आइडल विल लुक डिफरेंट. ठीक है, गणेश जी की एक मूर्ति अलग लगेगी, दूसरी मूर्ति अलग लगेगी. क्यों? बिकॉज उसकी जो सजावट है वो अलग तरीके से की गई, लेकिन उसका शेप, साइज, सब कुछ सेम रहेगा. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज क्रिएटेड विद द सेम मोल्ड, दैट इज क्लास. ठीक है, तो हर ऑब्जेक्ट जो क्रिएट होगा, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई राइट ओवर हियर से क्लास सर्कल, Okay, and in this class circle, if I am saying that it has a radius, okay, radius is one of the variable, and then you have one method that is a void cal area. Okay, suppose this is the method, and here I am just outputting the area of the circle. So for that purpose I will take one more variable, say float area, and then here I will be saying area is equal to pi r square, that is 3.14 into 3.14 into what, radius. Okay, and then I will be writing it system dot out dot println. Okay, and here I will be printing the area of the circle is plus area. Okay, सो अब कहने का मतलब क्या है कि ये जो क्लास लिखा मैंने अभी, इस क्लास से जो भी सर्कल का ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट होगा, इट विल बी ऑफ द सेम नेचर. इट डिफर्स दैट हियर द रेडियस विल बी डिफरेंट, द एरिया विल बी डिफरेंट, बट द नेचर ऑफ द सर्कल विल बी सेम. Okay, so that is your class and that is your object. अब object कैसे create करना? Suppose I want to create the object over here, then I can write, while creating the object creation is a two-step process. I can write over here circle C, okay, and then C is equal to new circle. Okay, so these are the two steps that you need to perform. Okay, you can combine them in a single statement like this. You can alternatively write circle C is equal to new circle. It is one and the same thing. Either you write like this, or you can write like this. So it is a two-step activity. Okay, so this is as good as writing int I. This step you can compare these two statements, circle C लिखना क्या और int I लिखना क्या, it is one and the same. Okay, the difference is that int I, तो कंपाइलर को int का मतलब पता है because it is a predefined data type, and सर्कल अगर मैंने इसको कमेंट कर दिया, सपोज आई कमेंट आउट द सर्कल क्लास, देन यहाँ पे एरर आएगा बिकॉज सर्कल क्या है इसको पता ही नहीं लगेगा. गेटिंग? सो it is a user defined data type. Okay, circle is what? It is a user defined data type. So I can write circle C as I am writing int I. Okay, and then this step 2, C is equal to new circle, इसमें क्या लिखा मैंने? C is equal to new circle मतलब I have created the instance, I have allocated the memory. Memory to what? Memory to my particular variable. Okay, so here you can see that now memory allocation होगा मतलब क्या होगा कि यहाँ पे एक ऑब्जेक्ट है आपका, सपोज दिस इज योर ऑब्जेक्ट, एंड हियर देयर इज अ मेमोरी. ओके, हिप मेमोरी होती है. तो यहाँ पे जैसे आप लिखते हो, if you are writing circle C is equal to new circle, then this type of memory is getting allocated to that particular object. Okay, so that is the thing over here. ठीक है, इतना समझ में आया? सर्कल C is equal to new circle. Okay, then you can write over here. So अगर आप ऐसा लिखोगे या वैसा लिखोगे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Then you can call this method over here. You can write C dot cal area. C dot cal area, and then if you are passing anything, then it is okay. If here you are not passing anything, then whatever may be the area, suppose I am fixing it to say 5 int radius is equal to 5, then we'll be putting every time the same circle will be created, although the objects are different. Okay, so this is my first circle, that is say C1, and here I am writing the another circle like C2. The same object will be created. Okay, so now here to learn about class objects, and these are the methods. So this is a method. Okay, कौन सी double cal area is a method which is returning the area because it has the data type as double. Then now you have to learn about the variables. Okay, now here there are two types of variables. Okay, these are called as a instance variable. Instance variable. Why instance variable? Because they will be there with every object. जैसे अभी आपने देखा कि C के पास भी रेडियस है, C1 के पास भी रेडियस है. So how many objects you are creating? Every object will have its own copy of the instance variable. So this is radius is a instance variable, double is a instance variable, and whatever variable you are declaring inside the method. Suppose here I am writing int I, then this is a local variable. This is called as local variable. Why this is local variable? Because this variable will vanish to exist over here. If I am writing over here, suppose I am writing over here that system.out.println the value of I. If I want to print the value of I over here, then this will give me the error. While the same statement, if I am writing over here, then it will be printing the values. Now see. Okay, so as you can see that this is the error where at line number 27 it is not giving me the error on line number 24. ठीक है, why it is not giving me error on line number 24? Because ये जो वेरिएबल है ये लोकल वेरिएबल है. दिस लोकल वेरिएबल एग्जिस्ट इनसाइड दिस मेथड ओनली. यहां तक के उसका लाइफ है. एज यू कैन सी क्लियरली दैट ये जो मेथड है ये मेथड के अंदर उसका एग्जिस्टेंस है. जैसे ही हम मेथड के बाहर निकलते हैं तो आई का कोई एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है, एंड दैट इज व्हाई इट इज समटाइम्स कॉल्ड एज अ ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएबल. This is nothing but local variable or automatic variable. Automatic variable. Why? Because the moment this method is called, this method, this instance, this local variable came into existence, and the moment it reaches over here, this variable cease to exist, and that is why there is a error. ठीक है, तो ये लोकल वेरिएबल हो गया. इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल का मतलब ये हो गया कि वेरिएबल विच इज देयर विथ एवरी इंस्टेंस. आई कैन राइट ओवर हियर इवन सी डॉट रेडियस. व्हाई? बिकॉज इट इज the radius which is available with the circle. Suppose now allow me to modify this program. Suppose here I am taking the value, say int radius. Suppose I am taking this value over here. Okay, now once I take the value over here, then I need to comment this line. Okay, then here I need to pass the value. Suppose I am passing the value of suppose 1, and here I can pass the value say 5. is with the instance variable. So as you can see, these two circles are created, and the circle will have the different radius. Okay, so that is the thing over here, that we are having two different uh, circle getting created. Okay, getting, everyone got this?